guys, so it is Christmas Eve and I have nothing better to do, so I'm going to watch some Daredevil. Not that that made it sound like if I had better things to do, I would watch something else, but no, I'm enjoying it so far. Yeah, so I'm only on episode 3, so I'm still getting a feel of, which characters I really like and all that jazz. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started.
He's scratching at it. Police reports get altered. Public records too. But I know a pattern.
I like how this has like a sort of
Need player name?
mob, organized crime
If you killed the man, you
feel
sent his
to
wife
it.
flowers.
It's interesting.
Now they just send his wife with him.
Hey.
Jesus, what happened to your eye?
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just wasn't paying attention last night. This is my fault. You need a dog? Not getting a dog. What? You don't like dogs? Who doesn't like dogs?
I love dogs.
Everybody loves dogs.
True.
Was that a knock?
Oh my god, if he had like a badass
Someone's at the door. Our door?
like German Shepherd with him to help him fight crime, oh,
Right.
I would love that.
Okay.
Ethical, decent, and good lawyers. And for that, for nothing more than your exceptional skills and your discretion, you'll be fairly compensated.
Nobody just gives you money
Your partner doesn't seem convinced.
for nothing serious in return.
About our clientele. I'm curious about your clientele. Do they all end up working for you after you get them off for murder, or just the pretty ones?
You give us a minute, please.
Damn. I half expect her to turn into, like, show her teeth and just, like, pounce
I
on
didn't mean
him.
to upset anyone.
How did you know about Miss Page's situation? She was never charged. There was nothing in the papers.
I have friends on the force. I hear I'm not the only one.
I think we might be veering off the subject.
I understand your concerns, Mr. Murdoch. Perhaps you should review one of our cases before we make a decision? Peace of mind and whatnot.
That's a fantastic idea. Matthew? Yeah. What harm could it do?
He's not feeling it at all.
You have 38 minutes to get to precinct 15.
What? Now? What's the case?
Everything you need is in this file.
It's gonna be the bowling ball guy.
Thank you for your time.
No, thank you. Thank you very... What is your problem? You wouldn't even give us his name, Foggy. You wouldn't care if you could see the zeros on this check. Yeah, maybe you would if you couldn't. We're running out of time. Meet me. Where the hell are you going? Matt!
Both of them have a good point, though. 'Cause it's not like they can be super choosy about what clients they have. But at the same time, nobody gives you that kind of money to an inexperienced law firm for nothing serious, you know? What is he talking about?
Okay. 5 days. That's what this will buy you.
And the appeal?
No promises, okay? Now get the hell out of my office. I've got a measles outbreak to deal with because idiot parents don't want to vaccinate, and my best nurse is out with who the hell knows what. What's that?
Cheese blends from that place you like?
You should have led with that.
That'd be cheating.
But who is it?
Hey, she had a good day.
Yeah?
She was up half an hour. How's about you?
Is it his wife? Daughter? Mom? Somebody? Okay, I would assume wife.
You bang on the router, will you?
Oh, hey, no more long lunches until this is over, okay?
You got it.
She wasn't at lunch. Chill out. And if they're not paying her, they can't be like, no more long
All right.
lunches.
Practice insights for New York State Penal Law 3515.
I'd be like, pay me and then we'll talk.
And in the state of New York, I'll remind you.
Why is she nervous?
So I'll be over soon, okay? Just keep it together to the verdict. Can you do that? Look, you ask me, it's almost like they're doing you a favor. I mean, you don't want something like that floating around. Go home. Get some rest. Got a big day tomorrow.
I have no idea what's going on. Oh, oh!
Stay down. I said stay down.
Son of a bitch!
What do you have on her?
A tape! It's a tape, okay?
What's on it?
A mistake she made when she was 19 and pretty. Something she don't want her kids to know about.
You get rid of it.
My client, based purely on the sanctity of the law, which we've all sworn an oath to uphold.
I have a feeling that they're gonna get this guy off,
Beyond these walls,
and they're going to
He may
completely
well face
regret it
judgment of his own
because
making.
he's gonna kill again. And
here,
he looked very
in this
happy
courtroom,
to do
the
what he
judgment is
did.
yours,
So, I'm just saying.
and yours alone.
It's where I think this is going. Oh. Sorry.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Mr. Urich?
So they tell me?
I read your article.
About the subway line?
About Union Allied construction. I think there's more to the story. If you're interested.
Oh, I like this. If they team up, I like that a lot.
They won't. Well, then, Mr. Healy, that was a hell of a speech you gave, Murdoch. It's a hell of a speech.
The trial has been expensive for time, effort, money, and emotions for you both. This has been a
Like I said, he's gonna do something else. Or he's gonna show up and just kill this guy. That's what I figured. Ooh, at least he ducked. This guy can fight though. I will say, bowling ball smashing guy can fight. All right. Oh no.
Hide your horse. Who's you work for? You think I'm afraid of you? Tell me. Who does he work for? Keep it down like a name. Fisk! Wilson Fisk! You get in your car. If I ever see you in Hell's Kitchen again. No. You do not want to test me. You think this is still about you? I gave up his name. You don't do that, not to him. He'll find me. Make an example. And then I'll find everyone I've ever cared about. And do the same to them. So that no one ever does what I just did.
Is he gonna kill himself? Or tell him to kill him?
You should have just killed me. You coward.
Yep. Oh no! Well, that is just gross.
It makes me feel alone.
Okay. Okay, so the thing that I find interesting is it seems like in these big showdown moments, like in the last episode, with the guy on the roof, and in this episode, he doesn't seem to want to kill them. I don't know if that's a thing. Because I was going to say this at the end of the last episode, and I think I forgot, but the guy who was on the roof and they were torturing for information kidnaps little kids, little children, and women, and maybe other people, and sells them into sex trafficking. And he's like, he'll live. And I'm like, why? Why? You should probably kill him, because it's probably not a good person to have around. Though I really did like this scene at the end of this. You know, it speaks volumes when somebody's willing to shove their face right onto a spike to avoid whatever horrible things this guy would do to them. Fisk, right? Is that his name? Yeah. So it's interesting. I'm definitely like the grit in Daredevil. I like. It's weird to say that I like the bad guys, but I do. I think they have a certain amount of. I mean, there's a lot of corporate corruption and organized crime, which is very kind of infamous. In the city, but I love the kind of the. That they're really showing some really kind of horrific things and not shying away from that. So I do like that. So yeah, but sorry, I'm rambling. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.